Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Luminescence Neck Massager Review. So, you may be wondering, what is this facial sculptor that you may be seeing right now? So, the Luminescence facial sculptor here is a non-invasive facial and neck treatment device that combines microcurrent technology, LED light therapy, and sonic vibrations. Now, according to the official website here, it is designed to target sagging skin, fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, uneven skin tones, and skin textures on the face and neck. Now, according to the website here, the device uses low-level microcurrents that the company says stimulates facial muscles and skin cells here. So it has an amber, red, deep red, and infrared LED lights with each wavelength marketed for different purposes such as soothing redness, supporting skin renewal, and stimulating collagen and elastin. Now, sonic vibrations are described as helping with blood flow, lymphatic drainage, and puffiness. Now, how to exactly use this device here? Now, according to the website, you need to start with a clean, dry skin, then apply the recommended activator serum or a conductive gel to the area you're treating. Now, you want to turn on the device and select your preferred intensity and LED mode. Now, slowly glide over your face and neck using upward strokes, concentrating on areas with sagging skin, fine lines, or puffiness. Now, the website also recommends treating each area for 3 to 5 minutes and then avoiding direct contact with the eyes. So, also, according to them, after each session here or after the session, you need to or you may want to massage any remaining serum into your skin and apply your usual moisturizer. You want to clean the device with a soft, dry cloth as well and store it somewhere cool and dry for best results. The manufacturer recommends using it daily or according to the user manual here. So, yeah. So, the website here mentions that, or in this case, also states that it is dermatologist tested, suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skin, and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, in simple terms here, Luminescence combines their electrical stimulation, LED light, and sonic vibrations in one handheld device for facial and neck skincare treatments at home. So, if you're going to look at the actual product here, and click on the shop now button, you'll notice that currently it is priced at around $54.75 from the original $185 pricing. So they do mention free worldwide shipping here. So yeah. So if you're interested with this product here, and since this is a skincare microcurrent device, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional is recommended if you have an existing skin condition or medical concerns before using it. Now, if you do have any questions about the product itself, well, you could go and just visit their website here and go to the very bottom here and reach out to them if you want by visiting their contact us page here or visiting their FAQ page. But that's about it. Find this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.